Hello all, as a continuation of my lecture series about special electrical machines, and we are particularly discussing about other types of motors, in which particularly about hysteresis motor. So we will now discuss about the working of hysteresis motor. In the previous video we have discussed about the what is hysteresis loss and what is definition of hysteresis motor. And coming to the working, when hysteresis motor is connected to single phase AC supply, the current flows through the main and auxiliary windings. Here the capacitor is connected in series with the auxiliary winding, which creates the phase difference. So we can also use shaded pole method for splitting. Here, phase difference is produced between the main and the auxiliary windings, which in turn produces the rotating magnetic field in synchronous speed. Here, the stator field polarity will also rotate with the magnetic field. When the rotating magnetic field link with the rotor, the EMF is induced in the rotor. Due to this EMF, as a current flows in the circuit, that is known as eddy current. Due to the eddy current, the rotor gets magnetized. At some point, the stator polarity attracts the opposite rotor polarity, and when the stator field polarity rotates, the rotor also rotates. After some time, the stator and rotor pole interlocks, so the rotor starts to rotate at the synchronous speed with RMF, that is rotating magnetic field. So first, when supply is given, the current flows through the windings. So there will be a difference between the main winding and the auxiliary winding, which in turn produces the rotating magnetic field. And when the polarity is opposite polarity and the rotor starts to rotate, after some time the stator and the rotor poles interlocks, so that the rotor starts to rotate at synchronous speed with the rotating magnetic field. So this is a simple working of a hysteresis motor. Coming to torque speed characteristics, the torque is almost constant from starting to running condition. At starting condition, the starting torque is the eddy current torque along with the hysteresis torque. But in the running condition, net running torque means only the hysteresis torque. So this constant value torque allows the motor to synchronize any load it can accelerate. So it is almost similar like from starting condition to running condition. So this is the torque speed characteristics of hysteresis motor. Coming to types of, there are various types of hysteresis motor. By construction, they are cylindrical hysteresis motor, it has cylindrical rotor, and disc hysteresis motor, which will have a ring-shaped rotor. Circumferential field hysteresis motor, it has a rotor supported by a ring of non-magnetic material with zero magnetic permeability. And axial field hysteresis motor, which is, it has a rotor supported by a ring of magnetic material with infinite magnetic permeability. So this is about the types of hysteresis motor. So the cylindrical hysteresis motor will be like this, where we have a cylindrical rotor, and disc hysteresis motor is, we will not have a particular rotor like structure, rather we will have a coil, in between we will have a ring shaped hysteresis ring, we call it as. Coming to circumferential field, which is of, we will be having a D axis and Q axis. So the angle difference will be theta. So this is what we call it as hysteresis ring rotor body. And coming to axial field hysteresis motor, so this we have a support, hysteresis disc will be in the middle, where we will be having a winding and the stator core. So this is the structure for axial field hysteresis motor. Coming to advantages, as no teeth and no winding in the rotor, no mechanical vibrations takes place during its operation. So hysteresis motor are the quickest single phase motors and are often used in sound recording equipments like tape recorders and record players. Hysteresis motors operate at a constant speed. Hysteresis motors have a smooth rotor periphery and are free from mechanical and magnetic vibrations. Hysteresis motors are self-starting and have a constant torque. Hysteresis motors are used in instruments that require accurate and precise motion control, such as robotics and medical devices. Hysteresis motors are low-cost motors. So coming to disadvantages, hysteresis motors have poor output, that is 1/4 of output of an induction motor with same dimension, low efficiency, low torque and low power factor, and this type of motor is available in very small size only. Coming to applications, these are used in sound producing equipments, sound recording instruments, high quality record players, timing devices, electric clocks and teleprinters. So in this video, we have clearly discussed about the operation of hysteresis motor along with the types of hysteresis motor, advantages, disadvantages and applications. Thank you.